Life's virtue, gifts of one's grace, and government to genius. Honorable guests, distinguished members of the school governing board, the administration of IPSA, fellow educators, parents of the graduating class, batch 2010-2011, graduating pupils, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the 22nd recognition and commencement exercises of the pre-elementary department of the International Philippine School in Alcobar, school year 2010-2011. Guided by the theme, The Graduates, a partner towards transformational society, an answer to societal change. Ang mga magsisipagtapos, kaagapay tungo sa pagbabagong anyo ng lipunan, tugon sa hamon ng sambayanan. We enjoin you to the processional to be led by the IPSA Marshals under the command of Cadet Colonel Raymond Matthew P. Asi. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the preparatory graduating class of the International Philippine School in Alcobar, school year 2010-2011, headed by the honor pupils. First, honors, Jagel Rosan de Guzman Bernardino, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rodelio D.C. Bernardino. Bianca Sun Arceo, second honors, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romeo S. Arceo Sr. Third honors, Andre Matthew Caballero de la Vega, son of Mr. and Mrs. Noel F. de la Vega. Ivana Casasola Bangasan, fourth honors, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Romeo L. Bangasan. Fifth honors, Eunice Falve Gaspacho, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Cesar A. Gaspacho. Samantha Jean Asidote, sixth honors, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pabelleo A. Ted II. Seventh honors, Catherine de los Santos Juanitas, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Delfino C. Juanitas. Carolisa Aligudin Mustafa, eighth honors, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Julie E. Mustafa. Ninth honors, Aliza graduation from preparatory faith.
Committee on Academics, MP Joselito P. Santos, together with his wife.
Chairman, Committee on Finance, MP Delphine R. Luberio, together with his wife.